This is a 2016 model SCAG Cheetah. It's got the 61-inch Velocity Plus deck on it. Page 42 in the OM, SCAG wants you to torque the blades at 75 foot-pounds. Also, I would have your fuel tanks set in at less than half. If you don't, you run the risk of getting fuel up through the vent. Runs down the vent hose and on into the fuel evap carbon canister. To give yourself all the clearance you need, go ahead and raise the deck as high as you can get it. The socket and wrench sizes are 15/16 on top and bottom. The SCAG Blade Buddy is a nice piece to have. Most of the time, you'll fix it to your blade and you won't even need the bottom wrench. Perfect example. We didn't even need the bottom wrench. No lock washer on this. That's always nice. Sometimes you gotta get a floor jack. All it took was a 1/4 inch. I just used my right hand, my left knee. Show you the blade condition before we sharpen. I use the All American Sharpener combined with a 4-inch grinder with a paddle wheel. I moved inside just to show you how good it does sharpen at. The paddle disc grinder on that is really it's just kind of perfect for this, after you get your angle set up. This is the outside blade too. It catches heck on that SCAG. We mow around a lot of perimeters that have a gravel driveway or a sidewalk. Okay, we have the sharpened blade up in there. The Blade Buddy's in place. And we're ready to torque that top nut at 75 foot-pounds. I'm really liking this Icon torque wrench from Harbor Freight. It's a 1/2-inch drive, flex head. A flex head is only good for 15 degrees. 90 tooth, very fine. Lowest setting is 50. The range is 50 foot-pounds to 250. We're setting right on 70. 72, 3, 4. That should be 75 foot-pounds. The knurling on this handle has to be felt to be appreciated. But wait till you hear the snap. A bottom bolt, or the bolt could be spinning. It feels like it is. So the Blade Buddy's not helping here. Yeah, it's turning. That's not uncommon. We're holding now with a wrench. Always try to get yourself in a position to pull with a torque wrench. Don't push. Okay, that wraps this video up. If you have any questions, please don't hesitate to ask in the comment section. And I'm going to go ahead and do the other two. They'll be done the exact same way as that one. Hey, work safe out there and have a good one.